In today's video, we are going to cover how to make a t-shirt Shopify website. Now start from your Shopify admin dashboard where you are already logged in. From the left-hand menu, click Products, then select Add Product to create your first t-shirt listing. Enter the product title and description using the product details you want customers to see on the product page. In the media section, upload your t-shirt images so shoppers can view the design, color, and overall look. Next, enter the product price and configure the inventory information. After that, add product options such as size and color, then generate the variants you plan to sell. This is the stage where each combination, like small in black or medium in white, can be included as its own selectable option. Once those details are in place, complete the remaining product information and click Save. Continue by repeating the same process for the other t-shirts you want to add to the store. As your product catalog grows, move to Products and then Collections to create groups that organize your shirts. You might set up collections such as men's t-shirts, women's t-shirts, or new arrivals, depending on how you want customers to browse the store. When your products and collections are in place, go to Online Store and then Themes. Choose the theme you want to use for the website and click Customize to open the theme editor. Inside the editor, update the header, logo, colors, typography, and announcement bar so the storefront matches the look you want for your t-shirt brand. Next, build out the homepage by adding sections for featured t-shirts, collections, images, and promotional content. After adding the sections you want, arrange them in the order customers should see them. This controls the flow of the homepage from the first banner or announcement down to the featured products and collection highlights. When you finish customizing the storefront, click Save. Now go to Online Store and then Navigation. Configure the store menus so customers can access your products, collections, and other important pages without having to search for them. Make sure the links point to the correct pages before moving on. After navigation is set, open Settings and then Payments. Configure the payment methods you want to accept in checkout, then go to Settings, followed by Shipping and Delivery, and set up your shipping rates and delivery options based on how you plan to fulfill orders. Finally, preview your Shopify store and check that your t-shirts, product variants, navigation, checkout, and storefront design all display correctly. This final review helps confirm that shoppers can move through the site and complete a purchase as expected. Thanks for watching. Your t-shirt Shopify website is now set up with products, collections, storefront customization, navigation, payments, and shipping options.